So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumurak Luna here. And today guys, let's talk about the Good Toys 112 scale, the Rambler action figure, which is a third party, and this is based on the Miles Morales Prowler suit from the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse film. Alright. So ito guys, nakuha ko to kay Oyot Kingdom. Big shout out to MJ Mont. So let's turn off the turntable base. Yan. So honest to goodness guys, for me kasi soft goods na siya, yung cloth, napaganda. Kuwang-kuha dun sa, kung makikita niyo, kuwang-kuha dun sa Spider-Verse into the, Spider-Verse Across the Spider-Verse film. Kuwang-kuha niya. Lahat ng details ng Prowler suit, ayan, kuwang-kuha niya from the helmet armor, to for the head sculpt. Ayan. Articulation sa head, sulit naman, left and right. And kung napanood nyo yung unboxing video ko, so may kasama siyang alternate head. So pakita ko lang din ulit dito sa review natin. So sa alternate head guys, masasabi ko is that kung kuha naman niya yung details from the dreadlocks nung figure, ayan, kung makikita nyo, Miles Morales talaga. Okay. Ngayon, dito naman sa figure na to, ang points of articulation nito is around 22 to 25 points of articulations. Now, dahil sa soft goods, it hinders some of the movement, especially on the shoulder. Ayan. The double jointed elbow as well. Nahihinder. Hindi mo siya na-fully bend. Kung tutuusin. And be mindful guys, dahil soft goods, and this is not an actual leather. Plastic, ano lang siya, black design for the jacket. Dahan-dahan kayo sa pag-flex. Because usually, di ba, it will cause some tearing part dito sa elbow. Okay? And then, may kasama din siyang alternate hands. Hindi ko na ipapakita, guys. One pair lang naman ng alternate hand. And the slashing effect. Ayan. Okay? Ngayon, articulation-wise for me, medyo, syempre dahil sa cloth, na hindrance nga lahat ng movement, medyo nakukulangan tayo, di ba? So, for me, yung points of articulation nito, especially sa leg part, napakaganda pa ng tunog, tight na tight. Hindi mo siya mapaupo ng maayos dahil nag-hindrance dun sa pants. Lalo na yung knee pad, yan, nag-hindrance lahat siya yung pants niya. Parang nakaano lang siya . Hindi mo siya ma-full 90 degrees or 45 degrees na upo. Then ito yung backpack niya. So ito guys, you can tighten it up. Kahit nga sa pagtaas ng kamay, ayan, medyo alanganin, medyo nahihirapan din. Nagko-constrict lahat dahil dun sa jacket. Kumbaga, sobrang sikip. Ito, nata-tighten up. Ayan, nandito siya. So, nasa sa inyo niyan. Ako, hindi ko na tinighten up . Tinamad na ako. Mabusisi. And then, yung belt. Dun sa belt niya, this is made in plastic, guys. And be very, very cautious kasi napansin ko, there will be instances na pwedeng mabali siya agad. Lalong dito sa part na yan. Kasi usually, lagi siyang naglo-loose. Ayan, no? Kikita niyo naman. Umaangat. Bawat movement niya. And may tendency kapag if-fit nyo sa pants niya, yan, minsan magkakaroon ng tearing part. So, ayan, no? Tanggal na. Nahulog. So, overall, for this action figure, for me, guys, this I can rate, on my opinion, at around overall details with the articulation, it will be at around 8. Medyo nakakalungkot. Maganda yung figure siya. It's like a miniature Hot Toys ang dating. Or sabihin na natin para siyang third-party Soso Toys. Okay? Na maganda yung details and everything. But, again, dahil soft goods, sobrang tight lang talaga yung sa mga clothes niya, sa clothing niya, hindi mo siya ma-articulate ng husto sa gusto mong gawin. Then, yung base niya maganda, kung makikita nyo, clear yung stand, and may kasama siyang, nai-insert siya dun sa stand mismo. Clear din yung base, parang acrylic, plastic, or parang test tube ang dating niya. Sa glass ito. Then ito, plastic made. Pwede mo siyang paupuin pero medyo mahirap kasi babalance mo pa. Pwede mo siyang nakatayo kasi meron naman siyang parang yung sa Hot Toys, yung sa stand connector. Ayan. Overall, for me, it's an 8. Sagad na yan with the details and articulation. Hindi mo siya ma-articulate ng maayos, hindi mo siya ma-pose ng maayos kahit napakaganda ng details. As in, museum pose lang siya ang may bibigay sa'yo ng the Rambler from the Good Toys Company. Alright? So, hope you enjoy this quick toy review of our 1/12 scale third-party action figure from the Good Toys, which is the Rambler, inspired from the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse film. So again, this is Sumu Rock Luna. Please do like and follow my page on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more unboxing and toy review. Sumu Rock Luna out. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. Peace. Bye-bye.